Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so what you will need is some mousse, gel, hairpins, brush, rubber bands, holding spray, scrunchies, and red tail comb to part your hair. Now I'm about to show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. Alright, so I have 22 small ponytails already. Now in the front I have already pre-sectioned my hair for 2 small braids. Alright, here's the other side. The hair that I will be using is this hair right here. Alright, so this is used hair. Alright, so this is my second time using this hair. Alright, so this is easy braid, pre-stretched hair. Alright, and this still looks good. Going to start on my left side. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. Alright, so what you do is you're going to put the braided hair on top of your ponytail. You're going to have your natural hair in the middle, and you're going to start braiding. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to add hair right along with my natural hair. Okay, so you will have 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so you're going to start braiding all the way down. Right, and you're going to put it all over your braids. So this is optional. You can get you some jewelry. So this is the finished look. Alright, so let me show you guys a closer look of my hair. Alright, so this hairstyle took me 1 hour and 45 minutes to do. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You guys let me know what other hairstyles you want to see me do. With that being said, peace out.